we found over the years you can't get too much training. You know, you have 3 daughters and you think you've got a pretty good idea about bringing up children, but really looking after foster children is very different to looking after your own children. You know, they've had all kinds of experiences that your children haven't had, and so you have to make allowances and understand that. So we do a huge amount of training, and it's one of the strong parts of Wrexham now is they could probably some of the best training that we've had in sort of 16 years fostering. So you know, I'm doing training now probably once a fortnight quite often. So we did quite a long training session which is called Confidence in Care, didn't we? Yeah. And the group of about 9 people that did that with us, we've sort of kept in touch, and we're all now really good friends, and we all support each other. But then you also get support from coffee mornings from Wrexham, where you get to meet different foster carers and so on, as well as your own supervising social worker, support from therapists at CAMS if you need them for a particular type of placement. We found it really helpful that sometimes when you've got some challenging behaviours that you don't quite know or understand the root of it, you know, we would have weekly contact with therapists at CAMS, and they really help you to understand what's going on and give you strategies to help you deal with that kind of thing. So yeah, it's really fascinating.
Training can be a good place to get support as well. We have lots of other foster carers there, whether they're generic or kinship carers, and you get a lot of support at training, being able to verbalise things. So
you know, you can talk about certain things that your own family wouldn't understand, the difficulties or the challenges sometimes. So if you can talking to other foster carers, say, oh, that's a really good idea, I'll give that a try. They said, yeah, well, this worked when we did that, you know, and you know, you can learn a huge amount from other foster carers. And it's a lot of fun as well, you know. We quite often meet up afterwards and, you know, have a meal and stuff and kind of stuff and have a chin wag, and it's really good fun.